Hi, this is Jas Gola from Premier Farnell. Today I'd like to introduce to you the Excel Star Board. This is a world exclusive from Premier Farnell, co-branded with Freescale. The Excel Star Board is in effect a development board, a debugger, as well as an accelerometer demo board, all in one. It is a complete multifunction system. It illustrates the versatility of Freescale's MM128 8-bit microcontroller, and the Excel Star offers a complete microcontroller development environment. The Excel Star board can be used as a development tool as well as a demonstration item for accelerometer displayed with the star formation on the board itself. So for around $30, let's see what we get. Inside the box you find a cable, a CD, and the board itself. On the top side of the board, as you can see from there, is a star format of the accelerometer for the demonstration purposes, and on the underside is where you find the debugger. To illustrate very simply then, what you see now is the accelerometer in its formal process. As you tilt, you can see the direction of the lights around it. The whole piece, as it is right now, is simple to work with. It lets both the hardware engineer and the software engineer to work on it simultaneously. The software engineer can pick up the code that's already given as an example or can start a fresh project, whilst the hardware engineer can in fact work on a PCB on the outside of the board using this board as a debugger tool for the target hardware. In essence, what you get for your money is the entire board with all details given on Premier Farnell Element 14. The whole BOM is available from Farnell. This board will become an open source item, so you will be able to pick all the schematics and the Gerbers and of course the list of the whole BOM too. And of course by the time you connect the accelerometer and the microcontroller, you in effect get the entire demonstration as already shown. There's notable features of the microcontrollers which are highlighted on this development tool, namely the MM128 microcontroller from Freescale. And of course, the applications can be varied. The obvious ones are the portable mobile apps, as you would expect from typical examples as the Wii. Also, it is a clear indicator for movement detection as well as free fall, tap, really all stretched by your imagination. And of course can be used for embedded design that require USB connectivity. That in fact describes what this board is. It's actually a very comprehensive multi-function system for a low-cost startup for a project. As mentioned before, the Excel Star details are all available on Element 14. It would be beneficial for the users to go onto Element 14, register on the site and pick up all the details as required. This will allow users and design engineers to be able to build their own, and if necessary build the circuitry around it, all the hardware around it, so you can use this as a debugging tool for your own application. All details again will be found on Element 14. Our intention is to make it open source so you can effectively build this yourself or portions of it as you see fit.